Welcome to the fairy wren nest. We're out in nature and I'm going to show you this gorgeous deck, How to Be a Wildflower deck by Katie Daisy. 78 beautiful symbolic cards. This is really beautiful. And yeah, awaken your senses of wonder with this deck from beloved illustrator Katie Daisy. And it's full of birds and plants and symbols. It's really it's gorgeous. And look, it comes in a beautiful, like a drawer, like it's holding precious secrets. So it's a gorgeous box. Look like it's published by Chronicle Books. And it's so pretty. And Katie does a lot of diaries and journals that you can buy, and she's even had pencils. So yeah, let's go through this gorgeous, beautiful deck. Yeah, and this is the little drawer that pulls out, and it's beautifully decorated as well. And it sort of just tells you a little bit about Katie here, and I'll sum it up here at the bottom here. It's got, my wish is that you always take time to wander slowly through life, gather fleeting moments of beauty, and savor the sweetness of the simple things around us. With love, adventure, and wildflowers, Katie Daisy. So just gorgeous. Now, if you know my channel at all, you'll know exactly why I've bought this beautiful deck, is because there's birds in it. So I tell my story of birds on this channel, so I just had to get this. So let's start. And I saw this on the Amazon listing, and that's why I knew I would like to paint The Way a Bird Sings by Claude Monet. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful, makes my heart sing. Just gorgeous. So they're lovely. Yeah, it's a nice quality, beautiful colors. So yeah, so what I've done is I've organised the deck, and I've put the birds first, all the bird cards up the front. Always seek mystery, beautiful swan, full of grace. So there's no guidebook. It's just the beautiful 78 cards. Beauty is a nectar which intoxicates the soul. Wow. So good for journaling, just doing yourself a little oracle card reading, just for anything, for inspiration, for poetry. Beautiful red cardinal. We don't have those birds in Australia. Nature always wears the colours of the spirit. But I found an old angel in a shop, a carved sort of angel, and it had a red cardinal, it had faith on it. And that's why I love the red cardinal. As I said, we don't have them in Australia, but it reminds me of that figurine I found in the antique shop. That's the blue jay. Bring a bit of joy wherever you go. So yeah, as I mentioned, no guidebook, just the beautiful inspirational words on the back. Oh, the gorgeous rooster, chicken. Every morning is a fresh start. So then I've sort of divided this off into the sort of things in nature you can find that she has. I tried to put it in section. Hope is a waking dream. Ooh, some barking dogs, a beautiful feather. My soul is awakened, my spirit is soaring and carried aloft on the wings of the breeze. Breathtaking. So you've got a crystal. You are a rare find. Gorgeous kite. Let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Mary Poppins. Go where you feel most alive. Yes, please. Never stop wandering. Oh, I've got the boots. So yeah, she encourages you to get out into nature, as she does in her journals. I don't have any of them, but I have seen a few reviews on them. Pack your backpack. Go out in nature. take your notepad or your art journal, and my husband and I do this a lot, and we draw in nature. I might share that with you sometime. Create something beautiful. Beautiful compass. Let your heart be your compass. Binoculars. See the world. Beautiful lantern. You shall see wonders. Yes, please. A tent. Sleep under the stars. Oh, that reminds me of camping. Oh, and I love bike riding. Adventure awaits. The campfires, I'm sure we all know those. Follow the spark. So then I've put the cards into the nature, like the animal she's got. So she's got a snake, welcome change. They look like moths or seek the light or fireflies. Beautiful rabbit. Seek magic every day. So this is making my heart sing. And probably if you know anything about me or my channel, you'll know why I've gifted myself these beautiful cards. Oh, the gorgeous whale. And yeah, I did a little reading around the pilot whales that became stranded in Tasmania, Australia. So I have a deep connection with whales. Beautiful horse, yes please. Run free. Gracious words are a honeycomb, sweet to the soul and healing to the bones. That's gorgeous. Be astonished. So they're fireflies, aren't they? Yeah. Shine your brilliant light. Yes, please. Oh, never a deck without butterflies. You were born with wings. Oh, Bambi. Let your gentleness be evident to all. Stay curious. So let me know if you'd love these sort of cards. I'll be using them for journaling and poetry and art and craft and just about anything. Be fierce, be gentle. Gorgeous octopus, wow. Always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. And a gorgeous crab. To unpath waters and undreamed shores by Shakespeare. Oh, that's upside down. Gorgeous shells. Oh, I've got the delight in small treasures. So the colours are gorgeous, aren't they? How lovely the silence of growing things. That's beautiful. And then we've got the flowers. It will never rain roses. When we want to have more roses, we must plant more roses. It's gorgeous. Daffodil. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. May your life be full of love, adventures, and wildflowers. I've got the bees buzzing around me here, if you can hear them. Collect the day's sweet moments. The day's sweet moments. So there's quite, as I said, there's 78 cards. Love is the poetry of the senses. Yes, please. Oh, dandelion. get lost in a dream. Wow. So very, yeah, these are just gorgeous. Rise with the sun. They're beautiful, they're gorgeous. I always say that. I know I do. Bloom, my darling. So now we're sort of getting into the fruits and the vegetables and the barking dogs, the neighbours' dogs. Blueberries, yummy. Cherries, yes please. And the secret garden bloomed and bloomed, and every morning revealed new miracles. Mushrooms. Forage for beauty. So these are really enchanting, really, aren't they? Chase the sunset. Probably got this one upside down too. You are magic. Trust in dreams, for in them is hidden the gate to eternity. Just gorgeous. And the last one. All things grow with love. So thank you so much, Katie Daisy, for your gorgeous deck. And yep, Katie does all the illustrations. This is all her beautiful artwork. So thank you so much, and thank you all to watching. And I'd be interested to know if you've fallen in love with this beautiful deck of inspiration. It's truly gorgeous. So look, blessings all, and have a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Take care.